AC port plug. A 125-volt power inlet socket with a dual integrated 18-inch outdoor extension cord for a car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Waterproof. A rugged, waterproof AC electrical power inlet receptacle featuring a pressure-fit rubberized cover rated for outdoor use and protects against the elements. Peak performance, rated at 15 amps with heavy-duty 14 Aruban fluorines copper wiring to maximum power flow and full-sized AC port prongs for maximum conductivity. Plug and play, a simple flush mount flanged power inlet that's easy to install, requiring zero cable modification or hand wiring, and mounts into a 2-inch hole size. Multiple uses. An outdoor extension cord designed for various uses, including onboard battery chargers, bumpers for engine block heaters, outdoor electrical outlets, and more. The GCP2 is an AC port plug, power inlet, and waterproof electrical outlet with a dual 18-inch integrated outdoor extension cord that offers optimal flexibility and ease of installation. It works with any extension cord and requires no cable modifications or hand wiring. Its sleek, ultra-low profile design not only works seamlessly on any application but includes a pressure-fit cap for a watertight seal. And it makes onboard battery charging ports, engine block heaters, or outdoor electrical outlets more accessible than ever before, giving you endless possibilities. Rated at 15 amps, 125 volts, 14 AWG, designed for use with all types of extension cords with Type B plugs, and all approved. Ideal for car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Top reviews from the United States. It does it all. I live where it gets cold enough to freeze parts off. Ergo, I have an engine heater and a battery warmer. This was a simple 30-minute weekend job completed without a hitch. I was able to place this port exactly where I wanted it and the whole thing looks like it came from the factory. Thus far everything is looking and working well.